I was taking a gentleman that I knew, him and his wife, and they were older, and I was taking him to his doctor's appointment because he couldn't drive. And as soon as we turned on First Street, a gentleman tried to jump traffic and T-boned us. And we both went to the hospital. And he caved in the driver's door. My neck, I have 3 herniated bulging discs that are pinching right on my spine now. You guys have tremendously helped me in the past. Due to another accident that I had that was completely not my fault, and I didn't know what to do. And I called you guys, and you guys were absolutely amazing for me. I didn't have to worry about nothing, and you guys helped me out tremendously. She would call me every 2 weeks, no matter if there was something she needed to tell me or ask me, just to keep in contact with me, to let me know she was still there. Absolutely. She's been amazing. She always told me, if you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. But if I don't hear from you, I will reach out to you in 2 weeks just to let you know I'm still here and what's going on. Absolutely 100%. Absolutely 100%. There is no question. I would just like to say, if anybody ever has any similar, God forbid, issues like I did, don't hesitate to call Brooks Law Group. They have been beside me 100%, and they try to get everything done in the best manner, in the fastest manner, but to your advantage.